Hey, welcome back to Danks Code Tutorials. I'm going to show you how to change the file extension when you are going to create iPhone ringtones, to change the format from M4A to M4R for iPhone ringtones. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button and don't forget to hit the bell button for notifications to be updated whenever I upload videos on this very channel. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna open my folder here. This file here is in let me see, let's go to properties. This is a file that is in M4A. Okay, you can see it is in M4A. So how do I change it to M4R if I want to make it my iPhone ringtone? I will come here, open any file explorer, and then come to view. After clicking on view, then come here where you see file name extension. You have to check that box. If it is checked, you notice the change that happens. If I uncheck it, the file extensions are not there. If I check it, the file extensions will come. So once they appear here, I can be able to rename the file extension I want. So I want it from M4A to M4R. Delete A, put R, and press enter. Click yes. I want to change it. Perfect. Now it's changed. Now it's changed. It is in M4R. Okay, we can check its properties and see that everything is okay. It is all set to M4R. You see, it's all now M4R, meaning now it can work as my iPhone ringtone. Thanks for watching. Those are the simple steps you can take to change your file extensions so that you can do whatever you want to do with your files. Thanks for watching this video. If you have liked it, kindly give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button for notifications so that you will not miss any single tutorial that will be posted on this very channel. Thanks again. See you in the next video.